Hi, I'm Aubrey. I'm a Palate Club sommelier, and I wanted to give you some tips today on how to moderate your drinking during the holidays. So this is a time of year where you have lots of parties, lots of celebrations, and a lot of times that's going to revolve around alcohol. Now, I absolutely think that this is a perfect time to open up a special bottle of wine and share that with family and friends if you can. But it's also really easy to get carried away, either by drinking every day of the week or maybe by having a few more glasses than you meant to. So I'm also, a little secret, I've also been teaching fitness and wellness for 11 years. And so over the time, I've really learned how to balance the life of wine as well as the life of wellness and my overall health. So a few things. The first thing is to make a plan. So if you just go to the party or the family gathering and just start drinking and enjoying yourself, before you know it, you might have had 5, 6, 7, 8 drinks. However, if you go in with the state of mind, knowing that you're only going to have 1, 2, 3 drinks, then you can really stick to that and start to count your drinks and moderate. So the American Dietary guidelines suggest 1 glass of wine is healthy for women and 2 glasses is healthy for men. And that's not just due to body size, it's also due to our natural water content. So even if you are maybe a taller woman, keep in mind that that is still the guideline, as that is 1 5-ounce glass of wine, a 12-ounce beer, or an 1.5 ounces of heavy spirits. So the next thing to do is to actually pour yourself that full drink. So just trying to take little tastes all night is kind of like trying to take a little sliver from the cake. I don't know about you, but for me, it's really easy to eat the whole cake 1 sliver at a time. So the same thing for alcohol. So although it seems counterintuitive to pour yourself a bigger pour, it actually allows you to really count how much alcohol you've actually consumed. So you can pour yourself that full glass and you're like, okay, this is my glass for the day, and I'm gonna savor it, I'm gonna take my time and really enjoy it. So by the way, a side tip, since you maybe are just having 1 or 2 glasses, I suggest to really go for the good stuff and invest in a slightly nicer bottle so that way you can truly enjoy it, savor it, be present. The next thing is to come prepared with sparkling water or whatever your soft drink is. So if you're a vegetarian, you're not going to go to a party without maybe bringing your alternative protein or your crudité. Same thing here. If you go to the party empty-handed, they might only have alcoholic drinks and water available. So maybe bring your Perrier, bring your sparkling grape juice, bring your Diet Coke, whatever floats your boat. So that way, when you finished your drink, you have something else to hold in your hand and kind of give you that social security blanket of doing something with your hands. Finally, I just plan on some extra games and activities that aren't centered around alcohol. So especially if you are a young adult around other young adults, it is very easy to make the only activity drinking. That's well and good, but it's also really fun and you'll create more long-lasting activities and memories if you plan a few party tricks. So that could be, there's a 3-part charades, plan a murder mystery. There's lots of fun games, even Cards Against Humanity. And it might seem a little bit funny in this day and age to pull out a game in the middle of a party, but trust me, it creates a really great time. And I know I said finally, but I did want to also add on that if you are turning to alcohol to deal with holiday stress, that is normal. Forgive yourself. This is also a really great time to practice alternative forms of stress relief and healthcare. So yoga, meditation, and even very simply, if you're feeling stressed out, just take 3 minutes, put on the timer, turn off your cell phone, and just do some deep breaths. So whatever it is that can help you release stress, long walks, hot bath, see if you can start to build some good habits right now to keep yourself from turning to booze whenever you're feeling a little bit anxious. So I hope this helped you. I hope you have a very happy holiday season. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Cheers.